everyone, it's Keren here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video in my series showcasing my new foam stamps from Joggles.com. I'm putting all the links below to the stamps and to any product that I've used today or in any of the other videos. If you watched a few videos ago, I showcased my new stamps, and I also showed you how to create amazing textured backgrounds with the stamps and a monoprinting plate. Now I have some of these and I've already made two different layouts. One of them was on a video a few days ago, which is this one, using my as a focal point this light bulb stamp that I created. And the other one is this video that I'm sure you saw with the trees, where it features a set of 3 stamps that can be used in many different ways, including making trees. You can also use them as leaves or as flowers. Today I want to show you another stamp that I want to use as a focal point. You can see in the background that I actually use this one as texture, and you can use this to create really cool textured in the background. That was done the other day, so you can go watch that video, which I'm linking below. But today I thought I could show you something else. I still have a little bit of blue from another project that dried up here. So I forgot to clean it, so that's okay. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of blue and then a little bit of white, because what I want to do is I want to kind of create a scenery in this background. So now you don't see what I mean, but I actually want to use this stamp because I had the idea to make it look like pine trees. I mean, they're not going to be perfect because this is mixed media and nothing has to be perfect in mixed media. But what I want to show you is that we can really create some really cool effects with different stamps depending on how we use them. I want to make sure that I cover it a little bit more. I mean, this is pretty translucent, and that's nice because you can still see the texture underneath. Now you have this beautiful sky here, and this is kind of like the grass, which is my idea for a scenery. And then I want to use this tree looking pine, but I need to dry this area first. So I'm going to dry this up. So I'm going to use the black to kind of stamp the trees, just because I find that that's the darkest that it works with. Unless you go with a contrast color like purple or any other color. I have a little bit of green on my brayer from somewhere else, but oh well, that's okay as well. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to dip it in here, and I'm just going to stamp. If it's not dark enough, I can go over it again like this. Then I'll go to the next one. And I don't want to make them all even because I want to make it look like it's a forest. And some of them can be a little bit lighter, so it looks like they're further away, and that's okay as well. That looks really cool. So now all I have to go with is like maybe a little bit of green. I'll put it here even though it has black, but that's okay. And so I just use a little dabber and just kind of add a little bit of that green grass around, so it kind of gets hidden from the background. So you can work with it in different ways and make it look really, really cool and really simple. So I still like those textures that I created, but I want them to blend in. So it's part of the background. And then it looks like this is a scenery. I can add a little bit of this one as well. And they can blend in together. Maybe not enough. So now it looks like a real forest scenery, like it's just part of the background. So I really like that. That's really cool. So basically this is how simple it is. Just to create like a scenery with this little stamp, you can create it. Actually looks like a pine tree. You could use it as a Christmas tree, I don't know. Or it could be a frond for a flower. So I have another stamp that looks like a flower, so this could be a frond or a leaf for that. But I could also make it into trees. You guys know how much I love trees. So now all I need is a little sentiment, something. Miracles happen when you believe. Yes, I like this. And because miracles do happen when I believe. So there we go. Oh, that was a little bit dirty and wet. Okay, so that's gonna blend into the background. So I had a little bit of green on there, but that's still nice. And you can do the same thing like with some white and create like snow-covered trees. That would be cool as well. So I really like this. I don't even want to do anything to it. I really like the way it looks. I mean, if you didn't have this here, you could sell it as a painting. I think it's really, really neat. The only thing left to do is maybe do some splatters, because I love adding like splatters to everything. So I've been doing this in every single project. And this took even less time than the other projects because it's so simple and so quick. And you can create like beautiful stuff like that. And I'm trying to focus on doing like more simple things that don't require a lot of effort, because I just really want to focus on that, because people don't have a lot of time nowadays to just do so many things. So if we can focus on quick projects, I will do some non-quick ones as well, but I want to focus on the quick ones as well, because it's just difficult otherwise to create something. I want to create something quick and that I love. And this is what has been stopping me, because I wanted to create always these very complicated projects, and I never got a chance to do that because I would just didn't want to. I didn't want to like spend so much time doing that. So I think that by doing something quick, it makes a big difference for people. Let's see. Last thing, I want to just add like a little bit of a border, at least at the bottom. It could look really cool if it was a galaxy background. I might try that next time. That would be really cool. And do me a favor, if you create anything with any of my products or any of my designs, please tag me on social media. I would love to see what you create. It's really important for me to see things that you want to create, and that would be amazing. I really, really want to see what you create with them. So here, this is a quick one. I showed you, I think, the other ones already. So if you, and this is easy, because all you have to do now is just go back into my journal and just basically pop it back in, and look how quick and easy it is to just basically create an amazing background. And I just love it. And it could be in different directions. It would be something else completely. So if you created something with my stamps, please tag me on either Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever it is, so I can see it. I'd love to see what you create. If you like these short videos and quick videos, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends everywhere. And I just really appreciate all the support that you give me. Thank you so much, and have an amazing day, everyone. Bye.